Hello to you all. As you may know, in 2019 we are celebrating the centenary of Citroën with key events all year long. A few weeks ago at Retromobile Motorshow in Paris, we celebrated our incredible heritage, an heritage that makes Citroën an iconic brand. But an iconic brand is not just an heritage. Today, we keep on being iconic with our renewed range, with 6 model launch in 2 years, and of course, a vision, a future. For this, get ready to follow our live performance at Geneva Motorshow on March 5th at 5 p.m. We will present AMI One as a world premiere, our 100 electric concept, creating a new urban mobility experience for all. Believe me, it's pretty revolutionary. This concept liberates the city as the 2CV liberated the countryside in its time. So save the date, March 5th, 5 p.m, our Citroën live performance at Geneva Motor Show. Thank you so much, stay tuned.